What's up, guys? It's Marcus, the immigration lawyer. Guys, for a lot of our new clients who are applying for immigration benefits like U.S. citizenship, or for their first time applying for the green card, a lot of people come into the process and they want to come at it like in kind of an aggressive way, or they're very defensive. And I've talked about this in other videos. People will kind of come into the process thinking it's going to be very confrontational, very adversarial. And I understand that mindset, because obviously there's an enforcement component to immigration, right? I mean, there's ICE and there's DHS, and there's a lot of these arrests happening all over the world and stuff like that. But for people who are eligible for immigration benefits, who don't have serious issues, I try to coach people, you don't need to be in that defensive posture. And one of the reasons for that is the immigration officers who are reviewing your case and making decisions on your case, in many cases, those officers are actually immigrants themselves. I've been in a lot of these interviews, and I've been in a lot of different, field offices, and a lot of the immigration officers, they got their green cards and they naturalized and became citizens. They're multilingual, they're multicultural. So many of them, not all of them, there's always bad apples in any group, but in USCIS, a lot of these officers are just like you. They immigrated to the United States through family, or through business or whatever, and they understand the journey and they understand everything about the process. So in many cases, they want to approve your case. They want you to have a beautiful future in the United States, but they're human beings and they have to follow rules and procedures and policies. And so you just need to understand how to make it easy for them to say yes to you. And that's the benefit, in my opinion, of hiring an experienced immigration lawyer, because an attorney knows what those policies and procedures are, and how to make it easy for your immigration officer to just check the boxes, so it's easy for them to say yes and approve your case. Okay, so don't come at this in a super adversarial way. If you can see that the immigration officer is, an ally in your journey and not an enemy, then